Good morning and welcome to April the 1st, 2020. April Fool's Day. Well, haven't we all been fools the way we've been treating nature over the last few years? But thank God we're all beginning to wake up now and understand how important it is to be supported by nature. So unlike the new age tree hugging type of approach, you can have a look at the tree that I'm now just sitting against, allowing it to support me, as Mother Nature always has and always will. As a child, I grew up sitting under trees like this for hours on end. I didn't realise then that I was meditating, but it turns out that's what I was doing. Anyway, today reminds me of the song, when April showers may come your way, they bring you flowers that bloom in May. Yeah, flowers that bloom in May. So may the healing that we're all looking for at this stage not wait till May to bloom, but bloom now in April, and have no regrets, because it isn't raining rain, it's raining violets. Violet being one of the colours of healing, as is cobalt blue. So you can imagine, if you want, sitting against your own tree of life right now and literally just breathing in cobalt blue or violet and out. In and out. In and out. So over the last 24 hours I've got more prayer requests into my Be Well Clinic at yahoo.com request box, and I'm loving the fact that people are finally learning to reach out for help, to ask for help, because it's something we just don't do enough of, Sometimes we feel we can do it all ourselves, and there's nothing wrong with that, of course, but then there's other times where you have to look up and see that yes, there is one big trunk, but look, it branches out. It branches out into many different branches. It's like the lungs of our being, if you like, deep breathing in and just saying it's okay to ask for help, and not in a begging way, because I don't believe that God ever asks us to beg for anything. Like they say God is our Father. Well, you wouldn't beg to your Father, would you? You'd just say, hey Dad, I need something. And a good father delivers, or a good mother. So no need to beg. Just know that you're entitled to be well. You're entitled to be healthy. And the one thing that's happened over the last 24 hours is the amount of requests I've got for people who have gone home. Gone home meaning have left this dimension to go to the next dimension. And something? I always believed this, and I will always believe this. When it's your time to go, God will call. If it's not your time to go, God won't call. So why fear? Why worry? If it's your time to go, just take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, just let go and let God. How easy and how simple was that? Nobody wants to talk about these things, but it's part of nature. And the one thing about nature that's true is nature will always only ever come in cycles. It's the nature of nature itself. It comes in cycles. And so this too will pass. And let all the people now in the world who are feeling loss and sorrow and sadness for their loved ones passing know that they've gone home to their Creator. I'm not saying it's not okay to grieve, it's not okay to feel loss. I'm saying the deeper truth is we will all return to our source one day. And so, as I lean against this tree, and as I allow this tree to heal and support me, I'm going to utilize this tree's energy. I'm going to connect my energy to its energy, and I'm going to get my energy to rise up through the trunk of this tree and out through all those branches to reach all my brothers and sisters around the world, to let you know that Swarupa Prima is who you are. Swarupa Prima, embodiments of love. Be in love, stay in love, 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 love. And I know people love the Irish accent saying love, love, love. So, from Ireland to all the world, love, love, love. Bye bye and enjoy your April 1st, allowing the flowers of love and healing to blossom in your heart. Bye bye.